my name is Emily. I'm a nutritional therapist and today I'm going to be talking to you all about Acti-Labs meal replacement soups. Now, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love soup. It's hearty and warming and is the ultimate feel-good food. Acti-Labs have got some amazing, delicious flavours, but they're more than just great tasting. When you're trying to achieve your weight loss goals or maintain a healthy weight, it's super important to make sure you're giving your body all of the nutrients it needs to stay healthy whilst keeping calories low. And this is where Acti-Labs soups come in. They're 25% of your recommended daily allowance of vitamins and minerals, and they've got just under 200 calories per portion, making it a great option when following any of Acti-Labs' weight loss plans. They also have a fab amount of protein in there, making it great if you're exercising. A simple, tasty, delicious soup ready to be enjoyed in just under 2 minutes. Acti-Labs really have made it so easy.